Hey guys, it's me, Risa. I'm not in my kitchen. I'm at my sister-in-law Debbie's, and oh my God, are you in and I'm in for the best treat ever. She's gonna teach us how to make her special chopped liver. And I just want you to know that she's a little camera shy, so you will hear her great voice. She's gonna instruct us. Remember, all the ingredients and directions are written under each video. Have you subscribed? I hope you have, and make sure you share my recipes, my channel with everybody. All right, I really appreciate it because, you know, sharing is caring. So let's get started, all right? I'm gonna turn my camera around. The first thing that Debbie did, and I'm gonna add a video of all the pictures that we took because just to save some time. Debbie takes a huge, big Spanish onion, usually one or two, and she chops it up and fries it. And the other thing is that she used, she did half the recipe. Sometimes she uses like 6 pounds of liver, right, Debbie? Mm-hmm. And she uses a couple of big onions. So if you like a lot of flavor, you know me, I like onion. And she usually sautés it. This time, she just put the liver in with the onions, but she likes them golden brown and caramelized first. And it's 3 pounds of chicken livers, right?
For this recipe.
For this recipe. We did half the recipe. So the other thing that Debbie mentioned to me was that if you look, it's very brown. You do not want any pink inside your chicken livers, okay? So that's an important thing to do. All right, so make sure that you cook it really well. And now what do we do, Debbie?
So now we're going to take the chicken livers.
Yeah.
And we're going to put them into a big bowl.
Okay.
With the onions and everything like that.
And you can see she has some nice hard-boiled eggs. Now, some people don't like it with eggs, but Debbie always puts in eggs.
This is an old recipe. It was my mother's.
Yeah.
And she made the best chicken liver.
Wow, I'm so excited.
Chicken liver. So that now I'm also experimenting because I usually do double this, almost triple, but COVID has now cut my numbers down.
Right.
So we cut the liver down.
That's okay.
Yeah. So now that's in there, and what we do is we take my chopper.
Right.
And we put in 1 egg. So we put in 1 egg at a time.
Right.
And chop it up.
Okay.
And you start to see how it looks and the consistency. And you chop it in there. I'm going to put another egg in. So I'm experimenting because like I said, I did half the recipe. So normally I put in about a dozen eggs. I'm going to put in about maybe 8 or 9 this time. And just keep on chopping it in. And depending on how many, how eggy you like it, I like to have a lot of little pieces of egg in the chopped liver. It kind of adds to the consistency and the richness of the chopped liver.
And the flavor, yeah.
And the flavor.
Yeah, it's so good.
And, I like a lot of onions, so you probably won't want to add 2 big Spanish onions, like Risa said, and probably fry that up separately so that they get really, really brown and caramelized. And that's it.
Wow. And sometimes people add the chopped liver to like a Cuisinart if you really like it creamy, but the way Debbie and her grandmother and her mother made it was exactly the way you're seeing her do it right now. And I'm so excited because this is a family favorite.
Yeah.
It is. And you can eat it just like this. You can have it as a snack. You can have it as a side dish appetizer.
On a cracker.
On a cracker. Even on veggies you could do it. So again, it's versatile. You just want a nice snack. This is great. And it looks amazing when you have company over to serve this. So again, you'll really enjoy it.
And you get a good workout.
And you get a good workout.
So
there you go. That's
stone.
right. See?
You build up your muscles in your triceps and biceps.
That's right.
And after that, you get to eat a delicious chopped liver.
That's right. So, and chopped liver is very healthy. I mean, liver itself and eggs have a lot of potassium and what else does it have?
Very
protein.
High in protein.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the other thing I didn't mention was that when you fry the onions, I mean, just put in a bit of oil, obviously. You guys know how to fry up onions. I didn't need to have to tell you that. But
and if you're finding, there's a lot of iron in this too.
Yes.
If you're low in iron. But if you're finding it's a little dry, you want to make it a little bit more moist. You can also just add a little bit of vegetable oil as well when you're going along. That's not a problem.
Yeah.
While you're chopping. So you want to get all these little white little pieces of the egg all chopped in.
Right.
So I think, what did we do? How many eggs have we added?
How many were in the bowl?
1, 2, 3, 4. I think I've added
7.
No, I think I've added. I had 10 in here.
Oh, okay.
I think I've added 4 eggs now.
Okay.
And I'm definitely going to have to add more.
Okay.
I can see. Do you want to look and see how it's looking?
Yeah,
so far?
it looks
it's getting
amazing.
All chopped up.
Hence the name chopped liver. So you gotta chop.
But you can also Cuisinart. A lot of people like to use the Cuisinart now.
Yeah.
And it just makes it you can get a consistency. It doesn't have to be too creamy. If you put it in the Cuisinart, it doesn't matter.
Amazing. This is so awesome. But the awesome part is once you eat it and it gets cold in your fridge. How long does it last, Debbie? Usually?
I think maximum 4 days.
Yeah.
But it never lasts long anyway.
No, it doesn't. You're going to eat this up because it's so delicious.
But, the key also is it should be cold.
Yes.
And it's great when it sits for like the day before you eat it. And also a huge key is salt and pepper.
Right.
To this. It has to be very well seasoned.
Right. Okay. So Debbie is adding in the pepper because she's chopped it up. And we start off with how much, Deb, pepper? About?
I start off with about a teaspoon and keep on adding.
Okay.
By taste.
And then regular.
So I like it peppery.
Yeah. So we like it peppery. But, like certain things, you have to taste it. But my key thing is that I always add in a little bit and then taste it.
Right.
Add a little bit because if you put in too much, you can't take away. Perfect.
And here's the salt.
Okay.
And I don't use kosher salt. It's just too chunky.
Right.
So I use just regular salt.
Okay.
And the key to chopped liver is the salt and pepper.
Right.
But you can always add salt. You can't take it away, so be careful with that.
And the other thing too that we wanted to mention, and you'll see it in the ingredients, is Debbie used about 4 tablespoons of canola oil, vegetable oil, whatever oil you want. Except I wouldn't use olive oil. Just do not use olive oil because you need the oil, and don't drain it afterwards because
this is to fry the onion.
This is to fry the onion. Okay. And then when you fry the chopped liver, Debbie?
Same thing. You just fry it up with oil. With oil,
a little bit of oil.
Put it all in because it keeps the chopped liver moist.
Okay, perfect. All right. Oh, it's me again.
Now it's done.
Here I am, and here it is. And I'm going to taste it. Where's it? I'm going to taste it for you guys. I'm so excited. You guys are in for such a treat. Oh, my God. And here it is. Deb? It is fantastic. We love it like this. So that's it. That's the whole video. I hope you enjoyed as much as we do. make sure that you take pictures, you post and tag, and
And don't forget to have it with a Ontario fresh tomato on the side.
Okay, so yes, when she serves it, she loves it with nice fresh tomatoes, all right? That looks really nice. All right, guys, I love you. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.
You know Oliver's